very happy 70th birthday ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਸ਼ਾਂ ਕਰਨ wish you a very very happy birthday God bless you
have a long life
have a peaceful good health good wealth good family and good friends good atmosphere everything good in your life
thank you
Vijay thank you Vijay
Wish you a very happy 70th birthday, Boo.
ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ
You are a wonderful person. Here is wishing you on your 70th birthday all the best of life.
very happy birthday God bless you
ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਿਹਤ ਦੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੰਦਰੁਸਤੀ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਉੱਚ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਬਣੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਰੱਖੇ You are genuinely my guide into this family. You know, in 74, when I came to Bangalore, the first person, and you started guiding me right from there. You guided me in Bombay. You guided me, you know, all our naughty sessions of, including the tipsy sessions in Bombay, Hyderabad. Memorable memories I have with you. You have been a very good friend, good brother, and you have taught me how to live in such Deva family. Okay, so you are a great father. We admire the way you brought up Ritu, Mitu, and we want them to continue to have your blessings. You know.
ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਾ ਜੁੜਿਆ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਪੂਰੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਸਪੈਨ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਬਚਪਨ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਉਮਰ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੇ ਹਸਬੈਂਡ ਹੋ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਾ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਟਰਲੀ ਪਿਓ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੈ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਦੇਖਣ ਜਾਇਆ ਕਰਦੇ ਸਾਂ ਤੇ ਹੈਰਾਲ ਗੱਡੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਇਨਫੈਕਟ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਅਜੇ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਕੂਟਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਜਣੇ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਲਿਲੀ ਵਾਕਈ ਕਮਾਲ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਸਨ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਇਹ 70ਵਾਂ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮਿਹਰ ਕਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਤੰਦਰੁਸਤੀਆਂ ਸੁੱਖ ਹਰ ਸੁੱਖ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਐਂਡ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹੀਏ we both of us really love you and pray for you wish you all the best happy birthday God bless you Viji thank you Viji
wish you a very happy birthday Boo God bless you have a great year ahead you have a soulful voice and you're a simple human being stay blessed
Wish you a very happy birthday, Boo. May God bless you with best of health and happiness. You are truly a great man. You're my favorite all time. And all your teachings are great and we need to learn more from you. Great day. Enjoy.
Sat Shri Akal Veer ji, wish you a very happy birthday. If I was to describe you in a single word, it would be a simpleton. A pure soul who will not think bad about anybody, forget about harming anyone. A very warm and loving brother. You have imbibed the best virtues from both your fathers. Humility from Bauji and Rabda Naam from Daddy. These virtues you have passed on so beautifully to all your children and grandchildren. Mitu is today what he is because of the goodness of his father. He is your Kirit Kamai. Love you, Virji, and may this year bring you good health and lots of happiness.
Happy, 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 happy birthday. Sweet, 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 sweetie Viji's day. Hey, happy, 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 happy birthday.
Sat Shri Akal, Boo. Say Sat Shri Akal.
Sat Shri Akal.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Wish you happy birthday.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Lots of love.
Love to love.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shikal Master Ji, wishing you a very happy birthday. Here's hoping and wishing and praying to Babaji that you are always blessed with a wonderful life, great health, lot of happiness, love and togetherness from the entire family. My bond with you has always been special. When we meet, there is a lot of affection. There is a lot of connect for which I am extremely grateful. You are always someone that I can look up to and that I can depend on. You've been a great source of inspiration where Gurbani has been. Seeing you and seeing your knowledge with respect to Gurbani has definitely inspired me to go down this path as well. You've been a fantastic father, and more than anything else, there is so much of good and social projects that you have done that are amazing to see and hear about. I am so proud of you for all that you have done. You deserve all the happiness in the world and much more. Sending you a lot of love, hugs and kisses from all of us here. Have a fantastic birthday again and a great year ahead. Bye-bye.
Sat Shri Akal, Boo. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. बस यही विश करनियां, अरदास करनियां कि तोड़ी उम्र हो लंबी हो, सेहत और अच्छी हो, और अच्छी अच्छी पोएम्स लिखो, अच्छी अच्छी बातें करो, हम सबको गाइड करो, इंस्पायर करो हर चीज़ में. यू हैव बीन सच अ वंडरफुल मैन, सो डाउन टू अर्थ, so humble. I really am so happy to be part of your life, and thanks for everything. Thanks for always encouraging us to do something good in life. और डैडी जी की हमेशा हमें याद दिलाते हो. So thank you for everything, and love you lots. God bless you to many more years to come. Happy birthday!
Sat Shri Akal Master Ji, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I've known you for so many years, all those crazy trips to Hyderabad and the kind of fun that we've had. You're a great person, very pure at heart, your soul, so much doing part and all the time thinking good. Love you so much, and may you have a great, great birthday. Wishing you lots of love, health and happiness always.
Congrats on your 70th birthday, Boo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Boo.
Happy birthday, Boo. Many congratulations for 70th birthday. We like listening to your shabads and songs. You have very sweet voice. You are very caring, very nice.
Congratulations, Boo. Once again for 70th birthday, and God bless you and enjoy your day, Boo. Take care.
Take care, Boo. Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.
मैं चली अपने बहना के संग चली. मैं चली अपने बहना के संग चली. देखो रोके ना कोई. मैं चली. जब मैं छोटी बच्ची थी, इनके बीच सोती थी. रोते रोते आती थी, हंसते हंसते जाती थी. आज सुनहरा दिन है, प्यार भरा सवेरा है, खुशियों भरा सवेरा है. मैं बोली.
सत श्री अकाल मास्टर जी.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday.
Wishing you the best of health, Master Ji, today and always.
Wishing you lots of happiness,
Wishing you lots of success.
good health.
May you continue to do all the great work you're doing, Master Ji. All the, आपका आप जैसे गाते हो, आपके कीर्तन शब्द बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਸੁਣਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਵੀ ਹੋ, ਗ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਕਿਡਸ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ਼ਿਪ ਇੰਨੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਹੈ। ਵੀ ਰੀਅਲੀ ਲਵ ਇਟ। ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਈਸ ਟੂ ਸੀ ਯੂ do so much with the grandkids, Master Ji.
Yes, we miss you. We could not come this year, but hopefully next year we will see you again.
Have a great day. Love you.
Have a
Happy
great
birthday.
year. Yes, love you. Sat Sri Akal.
Sat Sri Akal.
Bye.